Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Monday, happy 10/6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Or without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. A huge congratulations to Liema, guys. She is our winner for season 6, Bazoza, the Queen of Redemption. We all know that Usomizi was one of those celebrities that were campaigning for Liema. He was busy, guys, making sure Liema she's taking the 2 million. Yesterday, she did exactly that. One thing about the Lilies, guys, they were not playing, they were voting, guys, and we saw that yesterday, guys. So today, even yesterday, he did celebrate Liema's win. So today, this is what Usomizi president. People were like, I was Usomizi, wait a minute. So when you are such an opportunist, so you are now using Liema to advertise your business. Some people are saying, well, there's nothing wrong, we're going to support. So music, guys, he has done a lot. He was busy campaigning for Liema for free, guys. Also, this is very expensive. I'm not gonna lie, for him to decide to campaign for Liema, that says a lot about him. So people are saying, well, no, also music is wrong. Maybe he should give it to the Lilies, guys. So this is the item. They are from Semizi store, guys. You can see right time, right opportunity, guys. He knows the very well. One thing about Semizi, guys, is very smart. He understands engagement on social media, guys. He knows it very well. Right now, people are talking about Liema, guys. Liema winning the 2 million rand. So obvious. So whenever he's advertising something that has to do with Liema, people, they're gonna write to the comment section and talk about it and wanna buy it. Remember, guys, the people right now, they wanna do anything just to show love to Liema, guys. The people, they will even use their last money. You can see people are busy donating for Thandeka. Some, they just want to do a lot for Thandeka, guys. You can really confuse even busy at Thandeka right now, guys. If Thandeka come out and say, I'm selling this hair, trust me, people, they're gonna run and buy it, guys. And Liema, if you can come out and say, you know what, guys, this is what I'm doing. Can you please support me right now? As long as you're still doing well on social media, guys. One thing about social media is very simple for you to make money, guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. So music, guys, I decided, you know what? Let me just do business using Liema, guys. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday.